Okay, watch this. This new AI just wrote and illustrated an entire children's book in under an hour. And the guy who uploaded it, he's quietly making about $1,800 a month while he sleeps. No writing, no drawing, and he never shows his face. Not once. Right now, your brain is doing the thing, that's gotta be fake. I get it, I thought the same. So in the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna build one with you, start to finish. We'll pick a niche real buyers are searching for, let the AI write the whole story, illustrate every single page, format it, design a cover, and push it live on Amazon. By the end, you'll have your first AI book published and earning hands-off royalties on every sale. Zero inventory, zero upfront cost. And the wild part? Almost nobody knows this actually works. So if you've been waiting for a real one, a side hustle that genuinely prints while you sleep, this is it. Let's build it. So why does this actually work? Here's the thing nobody tells you. Amazon runs a program called KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and it is completely free. You upload a book, and when someone buys it, Amazon prints it, ships it, handles the customer, and just pays you. On eligible ebooks, you keep up to 70% of the price. On paperbacks, you earn 60% of the list price minus the printing. No boxes in your garage, no shipping. They print each copy only after it sells. And the demand is genuinely massive. The self-publishing market was worth around $1.5 billion, and it's growing close to 17% a year. Amazon alone controls about 80% of the US ebook market. Over 1 million new self-published books get added every single year. Now, most of those are garbage, and that's exactly your opening. Because the tools that used to take a whole team, a writer, an illustrator, a designer, you now run all of that yourself in one afternoon. That gap between what's possible now and what most people are doing, that's where the money is. Step 1, and please don't skip this. It's the difference between a book that sells and a book that just sits there. Do not write what you think is cute. Write what people are already searching for. Open a tool like BookBolt or Publisher Rocket. These show you exactly what shoppers type into Amazon and how much competition each idea has. You're hunting for one combination: steady demand, weak listings. Think dinosaur coloring book for kids 4 to 8, or a gratitude journal for teens. Boring? Maybe. Profitable? Absolutely. Here's the cheat code: low content books. Journals, planners, coloring books. They need almost no words at all, and since Amazon prints on demand, your cost to make one is basically nothing. That's the quiet little secret. So before you write a single page, you go to Amazon yourself and type your idea in. Look at the covers on page 1. If they look dated, blurry, thrown together, that's your green light. That's a gap you can walk right into. Pick one niche, just one. Write it down. That's your target, and everything we build next aims straight at it. Step 2. This is the part that used to take weeks and now takes minutes. You open Claude or ChatGPT, and you don't just say, "Write me a book." No, you hand it the whole job. You tell it the niche, the age range, the page count, and you ask for a complete page-by-page outline, plus the actual text for every page. Watch how specific you get. You say, "You are a children's author. Write a rhyming picture book for ages 4 to 6 about a shy dragon who learns to make friends. 12 pages. Give me the text for each page and a description of the illustration." And it just does it. Title, story, rhythm, the whole thing in one shot. If a page feels flat, you tell it, "Make page 4 funnier," and it rewrites just that page. You're directing now, not writing. Then, while you're in there, you have that same AI write your Amazon title, your subtitle, and a keyword-rich description that helps people actually find the book. That copy normally costs $100 from a freelancer. You got it free in 30 seconds. But hear me, read it, tweak it, make it yours. The AI gets you 90% there. You bring the last 10. Step 3, the part that used to be impossible without an artist. You're gonna illustrate the entire book yourself without drawing a single line. You take those illustration descriptions the AI gave you, and you feed them into Midjourney or Ideogram. If your book has words inside the pictures, lean Ideogram. It's the best at readable text in the image. But here's the mistake everyone makes. They generate 12 random pictures, and the character looks like 12 different dragons. Useless. The fix? You lock the character. You build one detailed description, a small, round green dragon with tiny wings and a yellow belly, and you paste that exact line into every single prompt. Same character, same art style, page after page. You generate a few options per page, you pick the keepers, you upscale them, and now you've got a consistent, professional-looking picture book. That right there is the whole game. Then you drop it all into Canva. You set the page size to your exact Amazon trim, 8.5 by 8.5 for a picture book. You place each image, add your text, and export one print-ready PDF. No design degree, Just a template and 10 clean minutes. Step 4, we go live. First, the cover. Use Kittl or Canva. And here's the critical part. Download Amazon's free cover template for your exact page count. It tells you the precise spine width and bleed so your cover doesn't come out crooked. Drop your art on it, add the title, done. Now you create your free KDP account and you upload 2 files, your interior PDF and your cover. Amazon shows you a live preview of every page. Then comes the part that quietly decides everything, your keywords. KDP gives you 7 back-end keyword slots and 2 categories. Fill all 7. Use the exact phrases real shoppers type. This is how your book gets found instead of buried. Then pricing. For ebooks, sit inside that $2.99 to $9.99 window so you qualify for the 70% royalty. For paperbacks, price comfortably above the printing cost so every sale leaves you a healthy margin. Then you hit publish. And in about 72 hours, your book is live on the biggest store on earth with your name on it, ready to sell while you go live your life. Okay, real talk, because I'm not gonna lie to you. One book is probably not gonna make you $1,800 a month. I need you to hear that. The people earning that number, they don't have one book, they have a catalog. This is a volume game. 5 books, then 10, then 20. Each one is a tiny machine that earns a little every month, and they stack. One might do $40, another does $200, another barely sells, and together they quietly add up. So here are the mistakes that kill beginners. 1. Publishing one book and quitting when it doesn't blow up. 2. Picking a niche nobody searches for. 3. Lazy keywords so the book is invisible. And the launch? Don't just publish and pray. Hand out a few free copies for honest reviews. Pin it on Pinterest. Those first sales and first reviews are what tell Amazon's algorithm to start showing your book. That's the snowball. Do this right, stay consistent, build the catalog, and you wake up one day to sales that happened while you were asleep. That's the whole dream, and it's completely real. So let's bring it home. In one afternoon, you can do something that used to need a whole team. You pick a niche real buyers want. You let Claude or ChatGPT write the entire book. You illustrate every page with ideogram, locking your character so it stays consistent. You assemble it in Canva, design the cover in Kittl, and publish it free on Amazon KDP. And then it just works for you around the clock. Now, I'm not promising you Lamborghini money tomorrow, but a real, faceless, growing little publishing business that earns while you sleep, that is 100% within your reach, starting today. Here's all I ask. If this gave you a real plan instead of empty hype, hit that subscribe button right now, because this is exactly what we do here. Real AI money systems broken all the way down every single week. Subscribe, go publish your first book, and come back and tell me when you make your first sale. I genuinely can't wait to hear it. Now go build it. I'll see you in the next one.